So you need your oblique pen, your nib, some water, a paper towel, and I got myself here an uncooked potato. Every time you buy a new nib, it comes with an oil film for protection. This prevents the nib from rusting or getting dirty. There are different ways to remove this oil film gently, and I usually do one of these two. One, you could just gently clean it with a grease cutting dish soap. Or two, this is what I mostly do, I just stick it in a raw potato. Really, it's not for choke. Just grab your raw potato and stick it in so that the ink reservoir here is inside the potato. Leave it there for about 5 to 10 minutes and you're set. When the time is up, just take out your nib gently, wash it off with a little water and rub it off with a paper towel. You only have to do this if your nib is brand new. If you already wrote with this, then you're fine. The oil film is already gone. Next, you want to take out the flange of your oblique pen. You take it off gently, and the flange looks like this. It has a long side and a short side. Make sure the shorter side is looking upwards. Then you take your nib and you place it in between of this flange here. Just stick it in like that, and you can open the flange here a little bit with your nail. A little bit open, then it's going a little bit smoother inside the flange. And we want to push it in just far enough so it sticks out a bit on the back and the nib is nicely centered then afterwards in your pen holder. Put it back in your pen holder by pressing the flange together, right? Just press it together and then put it back in your oblique pen holder. And now you see it's perfectly centered in the middle of the pen holder. Now you're ready to write. Thank you so much for watching. Which method did you choose? Did you also go with the raw potato? Let me know, I'm curious to find out. If you like my tips and you want to learn more about calligraphy, you should subscribe and stick around